For decades, a powerful myth has held countless aspiring entrepreneurs captive. It's the belief that starting a business, especially an e-commerce venture, requires a substantial war chest of capital. People imagine needing thousands of dollars for inventory, website development, and a massive marketing budget. This idea, though, is really a relic of a bygone era. In 2025, the barriers to entry have not just been lowered, they've been completely obliterated. The digital landscape now offers a revolutionary proposition. You can launch a global business from your laptop with an initial investment of exactly $0. The currency you need isn't cash, but creativity, determination, and the strategic use of powerful, free tools. The game has fundamentally changed thanks to the rise of accessible technology and innovative business models. The old path involved securing loans, renting warehouses, and gambling on products that might never sell. But today's path is smarter, leaner, and, honestly, infinitely more flexible. You can test ideas, pivot instantly, and build a customer base without risking a single penny of your own money. This isn't some get-rich-quick fantasy. It's a tangible reality powered by a new wave of digital infrastructure. The most critical asset is no longer your bank account, but your ability to learn, adapt, and execute. The dream of entrepreneurship is now more democratic than ever before, open to anyone with an internet connection and a spark of ambition. At the heart of this new paradigm is the incredible power of artificial intelligence. AI isn't just a futuristic concept from science fiction novels anymore. It's a practical and accessible co-pilot for your entrepreneurial journey. Free AI tools can act as your business analyst, your creative director, your copywriter, and your market researcher, all at once. They can analyze vast amounts of data to spot emerging trends, generate compelling business names, and even design logos. This frees you from the time-consuming and often expensive tasks that would have previously required hiring professionals or spending countless hours on manual research. AI really levels the playing field, giving the solo entrepreneur the analytical power once reserved for large corporations. This shift represents a profound democratization of commerce. The gatekeepers who once controlled access to the market, investors, banks, and established retailers, have lost much of their power. The new gatekeeper is simply the consumer's attention. If you can capture that attention with a compelling brand and a desirable product, you can build a successful business. The initial financial hurdle has been removed. The challenge now lies in your ability to be resourceful, to think strategically, and to leverage the incredible ecosystem of free resources at your fingertips. The question is no longer, do I have the money, but rather, do I have the will to begin? Your first step into e-commerce is creating a digital storefront, a task that once cost a small fortune. Today, you can build a professional, fully functional online store without spending anything. Platforms like Shopify offer free trial periods, while other services provide permanently free, albeit limited plans that are more than sufficient to get started. These platforms are designed for beginners, featuring intuitive drag-and-drop interfaces that require no coding knowledge. You can choose from a wide array of professionally designed templates, ensuring your store looks polished and trustworthy from day one. This accessibility removes the technical barrier, allowing you to focus on what truly matters, your brand and your products. This is where your AI co-founder truly shines. Unsure about the design? AI-powered design assistants integrated into these platforms can suggest layouts, color schemes, and font pairings based on your industry and target audience. These tools analyze millions of successful e-commerce sites to provide recommendations that are proven to convert visitors into customers. You can describe your brand's personality, maybe minimalist and eco-friendly or bold and futuristic, and the AI will generate design concepts that align with your vision. This process turns what used to be weeks of expensive design work into a matter of minutes, all for free. Beyond aesthetics, AI helps you write the words that sell. Crafting compelling product descriptions, an engaging About Us page, and persuasive calls to action is a critical part of building trust and driving sales. Free AI copywriting tools like ChatGPT or Google's Bard can generate this content for you. You just provide a few prompts about your product and your target customer, and the AI will produce well-written, SEO-friendly text. It can even generate multiple variations, letting you test which version resonates most with your audience. This ensures your store's messaging is as professional as its design, without the cost of hiring a professional copywriter. The result is a complete enterprise-grade online store built in record time with zero financial outlay. Your website will be mobile responsive, ensuring a seamless experience for shoppers on any device. It'll have a secure checkout process integrated, ready to accept payments as soon as you make your first sale. By combining free e-commerce platforms with the intelligence of free AI tools, you've effectively built the foundational infrastructure of your empire. You have a prime piece of digital real estate, a beautiful storefront, and persuasive sales copy, all before spending a single dollar. Your business is no longer just an idea, it's a destination. With your free store ready, you now face the classic challenge. What to sell? This is where another revolutionary model comes into play: dropshipping. Dropshipping allows you to sell physical products without ever holding any inventory yourself. When a customer places an order on your store, you simply forward that order to a third-party supplier, who then ships the product directly to the customer. You are the middleman, the curator, the brand. The supplier handles all the logistics, from warehousing to packaging to shipping. Your profit is the difference between the wholesale price you pay the supplier and the retail price your customer pays you. This model completely eliminates inventory risk and upfront product costs. Finding the right products to dropship is the key to success, and this is another area where AI is a game changer. Manually sifting through millions of products on supplier marketplaces like AliExpress or Spocket is an overwhelming task. Instead, you can use free AI-powered trend analysis tools and product research software. These tools scan social media, search engine data, and online marketplaces to identify products with rising demand and low competition. They can show you what's currently trending on TikTok, what people are searching for on Google, and which products are generating buzz in online communities. This data-driven approach removes the guesswork from product selection. Imagine you want to start a store for pet owners. An AI tool could analyze the market and reveal that interactive puzzle feeders for cats are experiencing a surge in search volume, while smart pet collars with GPS have high engagement on Instagram. The AI can provide you with data on potential profit margins, supplier reliability, and shipping times for these specific products. This allows you to curate a product catalog that's not based on your own hunches, but on real-time market data. You're not just picking products, you're making calculated business decisions, guided by an intelligence that sees the entire market at once. Once you've selected a handful of promising products, integrating them into your store is seamless. Most dropshipping supplier platforms have apps that connect directly with your e-commerce site. With just a few clicks, you can import product images, descriptions, and pricing. You can then use AI copywriting tools to rewrite and enhance the product descriptions, making them unique to your brand and more appealing to your target audience. You've now populated your beautiful, free store with in-demand products that you don't have to pay for until after you've already made a sale. You're officially in business, ready to sell to the world without owning a single box. A successful e-commerce business is, honestly, so much more than just a store with products. It's a brand with a story. People don't just buy what you sell, they buy why you sell it. In the past, creating a compelling brand identity was, well, a pretty expensive endeavor, involving branding agencies, graphic designers, and content strategists. But today, you can actually forge a memorable brand identity for free using AI. Your brand's journey starts with a name and a logo. Free AI tools can generate hundreds of creative and available business names just from a few keywords about your niche. Once you have a name, you can use free AI logo makers to design a professional-looking logo in just minutes. These AI logo generators are, honestly, surprisingly sophisticated. You can specify your brand style, whether it's modern, classic, playful, or luxurious, and the AI will produce a variety of design options. Then, you can customize the colors, fonts, and icons until you've got a logo that really represents your brand's personality. But You know, a brand is more than just a logo. It's a story. Use an AI writing assistant to help you craft your brand's narrative. What's your mission? What values do you stand for? AI can help you articulate this story in a compelling way for your About Us page, creating an emotional connection with your potential customers. This entire branding package, which would have cost thousands before, is now available for free. With your brand identity established, it's time to shout your story from the rooftops. And honestly, the best way to do that for free is through social media. Platforms like TikTok, Instagram, Pinterest, and Facebook are powerful marketing channels with billions of users. The key is to create content that provides value and captures attention. And here again, AI is your tireless marketing assistant. You can use it to generate a month's worth of content ideas in just minutes. Ask the AI for 30 short video ideas for a store selling eco-friendly kitchen gadgets, and it'll deliver a list of engaging concepts, from product demos to behind-the-scenes glimpses of your business. Furthermore, AI can help you create the actual content. It can write scripts for your videos, generate captions for your Instagram posts, and even suggest the best hashtags to expand your reach. There are even free AI video editing tools that can help you create polished, eye-catching short-form videos, even if you've never edited a video before. By consistently posting valuable and entertaining content, you can build an organic following and direct traffic to your e-commerce store without spending a dime on advertising. Your social media profiles become extensions of your brand, building a community of loyal followers who are primed to become your first customers. The strategies of the $0 startup don't end once you make your first sale. They evolve. That initial revenue is not a prize to be pocketed, but fuel to be reinvested. The beauty of starting with no costs is that your profit margins are your growth capital. Your first priority should be to enhance the customer experience. Consider reinvesting early profits into ordering product samples. This allows you to create high-quality, original photo and video content, which performs significantly better than generic supplier images. This small investment can dramatically increase your store's conversion rate and perceived value, leading to more sales and higher profits. As orders begin to flow, you can use AI to manage and optimize your operations. Many e-commerce platforms have free or low-cost apps that use AI to automate customer service. You can set up an AI-powered chatbot on your site to answer common customer questions 24/7, like, "Where is my order?" or "What is your return policy?" This frees up your time to focus on growth while ensuring your customers receive prompt support. AI can also analyze your sales data to identify your best-selling products and most profitable customer segments, helping you make smarter decisions about what to promote and where to focus your marketing efforts. The data generated by your visitors and customers is, honestly, your most valuable asset for sustainable growth. Free tools like Google Analytics can show you exactly how users are interacting with your site. You can see which pages they visit, how long they stay, and where they drop off in the buying process. By analyzing this behavior, you can identify friction points and optimize your store for higher conversions. Maybe your checkout process is too complicated, or a product page is missing key information. Making small, data-informed tweaks can have a massive impact on your sales. This continuous loop of analysis and optimization is really the hallmark of a modern, intelligent business. Ultimately, the journey from a $0 idea to a thriving e-commerce empire is a marathon, not a sprint. It is built sale by sale, customer by customer, and insight by insight. The key is to stay lean, be resourceful, and let data and AI guide your decisions. Start today. Don't wait for a mythical large investment or the perfect idea. The tools are free, the knowledge is accessible, and the market is waiting. Your empire begins not with a bank loan, but with a single, intelligent action. The future of commerce belongs to those who are quick to learn, quick to adapt, and quick to start.